There are some facts. For some people, it might be frightening, but the fact is, it is a reality you can't ignore. I have about 5 of them that I'll be sharing with you that you can't ignore when they come to real estate. Number one thing you need to know is this. Location is the key when it comes to real estate. It's about location. The value of a property is heavily influenced by its location. The proximity to essential amenities like schools, hospital, market, transportation system, and even the neighborhood. The kind of people you live with, it matters. So one thing you need to know about real estate is location is the key. You can't take it away from that. The number 2 thing you should know is that real estate is a long-time investment. So let me sit down where to tell you this. Listen to me. Real estate are not short-time venture. It takes time to build equity in real estate, and the return on investment can take years to materialize. That's the sincere truth. Face this. And number 3 thing I want to talk about is financing is crucial. Money is needed. Buying property is significant investment that often require finance. Understanding the various type of financing, mortgage, loan, interest-free, understand different kind of financing will help you to make your decision wisely. Like for instance, for house, what we call off plan. That is, you're paying small, chicken. So understand all these things will make you to choose and make the right decision. The next one I want to make reference to is real estate involve various legal process. The process of buying property or you selling property involve various legal processes like title search, property inspection, which I've made reference to, the contract negotiation. It is essential to work with professionals. I cannot say this more, who have experience in real estate to ensure that your transaction goes smoothly. It's the reality. Don't say I know. I'm showing these things not so that you can do everything yourself, but so that you can involve professional when you are buying. Then also another fact which you need to understand is this: real estate is constantly changing. The place that is booming now might not be the place that will boom tomorrow. Real estate markets always change. Then different factors affect real estate, which is like the economy, the government policy, the consumer preferences. You need to stay informed when they come to market trend so I can make you make good decision. Let me give you a typical example. For instance, in those days, they build big house, castles, but now the current house now that they are building now in Lagos and other parts is box kind of house. I always tell people who are willing to listen to me a story of one of my friend who some years ago, he did all his due diligence, and after like 2 years, some guys came and say, start to bully him that this particular house which he bought that is not his own, and they start arguing. But you know what this my guy did was he has all his documents, he did all the due diligence, and he took it to police station. Police came into the scene and they asked the second party, bring out what you have. Nothing. And sometimes that shows that sometimes some people can come and shake you, and if you don't do your due diligence properly, and that will make them to even claim what they don't have. So that's why due diligence is very, very important. Assuming this my friend did not do his due diligence properly and he got shaked by these people, they will just claim what duly belonged to him. Personally, I have experience before I ventured into real estate. I bought a land a couple of years ago. That should be about 15 years ago, more than that. Then I was not into real estate. After buying the land and I want to go and take possession, they told me that the land fall on that road. They had to take me to another place, which is where I eventually now built. And that one was now smaller. Well, let me stop here. I will continue for the next class. But one thing I want you to take in this whole training is this. I want you to get the best out of this training. Let me go down now and tell you. I want you to go to this class with undivided attention. I want you to have pen and paper to jot. Because all this I'm sharing here will benefit you. Because you invest in real estate. Billionaires, they venture into real estate. No matter how you run away, you still come back into real estate. But you need to know the right thing so that you don't fall into wrong hands. I bet you, after this class, you will surely be glad that you do. And let me also say this too. This class, I will not be doing it alone. I have a team of experts who work with me. I have surveyors, I have lawyers, I have a team of experts. All of my colleagues that work with me who know this very well. They might look small in status, but there's something in their head. So you'll be seeing them as we proceed in this training. Just pick what they are saying, because that thing they are saying will surely help you. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.